A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. Once, a lion and a bear killed a kid in a nearby village. They both started fighting for possession of that kid, which they both had seized at the same moment. The battle amongst them was long and fierce. At last both of them were exhausted and got tired. At the same time, a fox was passing by. She saw that kid and decided to have a very delicious lunch. She stood there and watched the fight. When she saw that the combatants lying there is too weak to move, she slipped in and seized the kid and ran off with it. The lion and the bear looked on helplessly, and one said to the other, "Here we've been mauling each other all this while, and no one got the better result for it, except the fox." Moral: it sometimes happens that those who have all the toil do not always get the profit.